Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will explore a new feature that has been recently added to Fluvid PRO plan, and that is this feature enables you to add a lead generation form, or we can say a contact form, to your Fluvid video. Isn't that great? So by adding a lead generation form to your Fluvid video, you can collect important information about your viewers, that is email ID, phone number, so in short leads, and other demographies like country, company, whatever, etc. This feature will be of great help to sales professionals, to instructors, to marketing teams to gather important data about the viewers, about the target audience. To explore this amazing feature, let's log into our Fluvid dashboard. Here we go. Here we are. Now let's take, suppose, this video as an example. We'll open the video. Once we are on the video page, on the right hand side, you can see this option, other tools, and add a lead form. You can see this option. So let's click on this. First, select mandatory fields, first name, last name, country, email address. Suppose any particular information you don't want to fetch, that is something you can remove. So suppose I don't want the country information for any particular viewer. So let me just remove it. And then just I'm just adding it, just for demonstration. So note and then button name, so submit and place. So let's just keep it submit. And now the important part, the time. So as mentioned, the video timestamp at which the form will appear. So as of now, it's 0 seconds. Let me just increase and make it after 7 seconds, let's say. After this, skip option. You want to provide an option so that the viewers can skip the video. So yes or no. Now limit to one response. It means this feature will allow user to submit only one entry against a single email ID. I think let's just keep as it is. And then apply and activate. So as you can see, the lead form is active now. So let's just do one thing. Let's play the video. Okay, so you can see I've got this option. Hi, welcome to Fluvid. So let's just quickly fill. Okay, so we are done with filling the form. So then submit. So as you can see, the response has been submitted. Perfect. Now, I have just demonstrated, I have just submitted my information. To check the leads that you have fetched, again you need to go back to the lead form, and here you can see view captured leads. So just now I filled few details, and you can see here these are the leads, and this is how you'll get the data. And the best part, you can also download this in CSV format. The best part. Okay, so let's just go back. Now what if you want to stop capturing the leads? For this particular functionality, we have an option, stop capturing leads. So if I just click here, so it's option, are you sure you want to stop capturing lead? Yes. You can see lead capture form has been deactivated for this video. So this is how the lead generation form functionality works. If you want to avail this amazing feature, switch to Pro plan. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.